Many people say that money doesn't buy happiness, and in my opinion, that's absolutely true. But what money does buy is choice, and it's what you do with those choices that count. You could choose to be your own boss. You could choose to spend your life travelling the world. You could choose to go to sleep at night feeling financially comfortable. Or, if you've ever watched The Wolf of Wall Street, then you could make some completely different lifestyle choices entirely.
I want you to understand, we don't do anything illegal whatsoever.
Some of you will assume that in order to make money, you need to have money. To invest in stock, equipment, staff, and anything else that's needed to kickstart a business and risk everything. Well, good news, this isn't the 1980s. Anyone can make money and build their own business, and in some cases without spending a single penny. The internet changed everything. And this video is all about showing you one free way to make money online by embracing the power of YouTube, the beast of video. So stay tuned to the end. I'm going to explain and demonstrate how people make money on YouTube, how they go from disheartened beginner to financial freedom in some cases, and how you potentially can too. And no, this isn't a short-term gimmick, these are long-term sustainable strategies. I will show you the evolution of YouTubers as they grow in confidence and authority and more doors open to them, and this could be you. Look at Ali Abdaal, whose channel has blown up over the last year. This screenshot shows a breakdown of how he's earned over $1 million in 2020. It covers multiple income streams so that he's not reliant on one single thing, and we're going to explain all of these shortly. So the question is, are you ready to make some money on YouTube? If so, then drop a "let's do this" in the comments. Let's begin with some real talk. Whilst my channel is all about making money online using digital marketing skills that anyone can learn, I only cover legit strategies. I can't stand the amount of fake hacks and nonsense that's out there. The hyped up fast money rubbish that gets all of the clicks and views but works for no one. So remember, no matter what people tell you, in order to make money, you have to put the work in. YouTube is no different. What I'm about to explain are multiple ways that you can make money on YouTube. Anyone can do this, but many will give up without really trying. Unfortunately, you won't be drinking pina coladas by the pool after you've published just 3 or 4 videos. But once you do start getting traction, it will be so worth it, trust me. On top of the financial gain, you'll also find many more benefits from having a YouTube channel. It's hands down one of the best decisions I've made. So if that works for you and you want to go on this journey together, then hit subscribe, give that like button a little tickle, and I'll share anything I can to help you. Stage 1 is where we all begin. 0 subscribers and 0 views. And this is the toughest phase of YouTube because you need to learn the skills, find your voice, and regularly hit publish without any kind of reward. So if you're at this point, then let me reassure you, with enough consistency and desire to improve, you'll push beyond this. It may not feel like it at times, but focus on getting better each and every video that you produce. Your methods of making money on YouTube are pretty limited. You can't run adverts until you've qualified your channel and gained that first 1,000 subscribers and your content's been watched for 4,000 hours. But don't despair, there is some hope. There is a way that we can earn a little bit of money back for our efforts, a way to validate our progress, and that's through affiliate marketing. This is my #1 business model. You make money by recommended products. Simple. So even if your video's only got 25 views, you only need 1 of those to be a buyer, and that could earn you a commission for any products that you recommend in that video or in the description box below. Clearly, the higher the amount of views that you get, the better the chance of making money, but it is a start. Way before I was making any kind of ad revenue, I was earning affiliate commissions. Sometimes these were ongoing monthly payments, and other times they were high ticket, where I'd earn $500 or $1,000. You need to find good quality products and services that resonate with your audience and offer them a solution to their pains and problems. For example, I promote a coaching program for my own mentor. It pays a very high commission, but also I know that anyone that buys it will absolutely love it. Now this sounds really corny, but I've seen him change people's lives and unlock their potential, so I'll happily promote it. If someone buys it, then it's the ultimate triple win. I get a commission and warm fuzzy feeling from helping someone. He gets a new student and the buyer gets access to someone with real expertise who's going to help them with their own business. Win, win, win. Now you can add affiliate links to your videos on day 1, and I've got tons more videos on this strategy as well as free training from my coach in the description. Stage 2 is about growth. Now, you will have been creating content for a while, and if you've been consistent enough, you'll start getting some traction, some familiar faces in the comment section and little flurries of activity when you launch each new video. By now, you're probably also addicted to refreshing the YouTube Studio app and seeing how many views you've had in the last 5 minutes, edging closer to that magical amount where you can apply to the YouTube Partner Program. It took me over a year to get to that point, but I have seen people do it in a fraction of that time, depending on the niche that they're in and the work rate that they're also willing to put in. Now, when the day finally comes, you fill out the application form, cross your fingers and send it back to YouTube, sit patiently and wait for a yes and acceptance into that partner program. At that point, you can officially say that you make money whilst you sleep, because YouTube will place adverts on your videos each time someone watches 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Bingo. Now, there are a few factors involved with how much money you will make, such as your niche choice and audience location. And if you want to see some real stats and figures that the gurus won't share with you, then I've posted my first few YouTube paychecks just to be transparent with potential earnings. You can check that out in the video in the description, as well as some top tips to multiply what you could be earning. So check out the description for the link, but over time, you will know that each video that you publish has the potential to earn more money for your channel. Once monetized, you also get access to some additional features such as super chat and super stickers, which if you live stream on YouTube will allow people to make a donation in order to ask you a question. Yes, the names are awful, but it's another way you're making money on YouTube. So at this point, you'll also have 1,000 subscribers and you'll be building a loyal core following. Depending on what your channel is about, you may also want to add some merch, especially if you're focused on building a brand. If you don't know what merch is, then it's basically t-shirts, hoodies, anything that can be printed on. Now, YouTube allows you to do this via a partner program, but you do need to have increased your subscribers to 10,000. So what I would suggest is that you use an external site like Redbubble, where you can easily create an account, upload some designs, and then choose your sale price so that you make a profit on top of every item sold. It's really easy to set up and get started. All you have to do then is link to the merch in the video and description, and then when someone buys something, you just take a profit. They do everything else for you. Stage 3 is the momentum stage. Now, when you've just about pushed that boulder all the way up the mountain and over the edge, and now you're getting more subscribers in a day than you did in a month, you're getting ad revenue and regular affiliate sales and real momentum. You will have published enough content now to have really improved your knowledge and refined your message, and you're confidently sharing your expertise with the world via the power of YouTube. So why not package up all of that awesomeness that's rattling around your head and make a little course? Sounds scary, doesn't it? But you can ease yourself in gently and use a knowledge platform like Skillshare, where a lot of the hard work is done for you. You just need to add content. Now, these courses don't have to be huge, they're pretty bite-sized, and as a creator you'll make money for people watching your courses, but also you can earn a referral bonus every time someone signs up under your link. So if you're feeling brave, then you can go one step further and build out a full digital product. Now, I know many course creators who are selling their products for several $1,000s. Again, you can use online platforms such as Teachable, Thinkific or Kajabi. But you do need to do your own marketing compared to platforms like Skillshare, who will generate traffic for you but at a much lower selling point. It's just something to think about. Finally, you reach the jackpot stage. Your channel is growing rapidly. You've got multiple income streams and a real brand that's growing. People want to know how you became a 4-year overnight success. They want to emulate your achievements and also get that access to you so you can earn money through coaching and consulting. Become the teacher rather than the student. Equally, your subscribers trust your opinion and they'll buy the products and services that you recommend, which is why brands and product owners are desperate to throw sponsorship deals at you. One-off payments on top of affiliate earnings for you to endorse what they're selling. Now, YouTube advertising is very different to traditional TV advertising where the audience can be very broad. Companies know that certain influencers have a very focused and specific audience demographic who are interested in certain subjects. It allows them to pay influencers and put their products in front of qualified buyers. More money in your pocket. But don't take the foot off the gas though. Reinvest that money, grow your skills, diversify your platforms. Because honestly, the world is your oyster. Now, for anyone who hasn't yet started or is wading through treacle at the beginning of this journey, then hang in there. I want to share with you something that's always encouraged me. It's something that my coach has taught me, called me the circle of awesomeness. And this is how it works. Each time we take a tiny action, we look for a result. It could be our first ever video view or first subscriber. That result shows that we're further ahead than we was yesterday. It's progress. It gives us belief. So use that belief and go back and take your next action. Create some more content, but this time improve it ever so slightly. Once that action leads to a result, again, it improves our belief and encourages the next action. This becomes a loop, and before long you realise that you're hitting your milestones. You've now got more subscribers, more views, more money each and every day. Your consistent approach and desire to improve will eventually pay off. Now that's one of the many things that my coach has taught me. And if you're in a position to invest in a program where a proven expert supports and guides you, then I would highly recommend it. My own coach is a 7-figure affiliate marketer, and he's helping tons of people like me who want to learn new skills, earn more money, get started and succeed with online businesses. Now, if you want to know more about the program that I'm part of, then check out the description for some value-packed free training. Or, if that's not your jam whatsoever, then check out the video on screen now, which will help you on your journey. See you next time.